Happy Wednesday and welcome to a new vlog. I am currently walking in the Marais and I'm having a very full day today. It's the day before I go to New York City and I'm not able to process this. I'm not able to realize that I will actually go to the airport tomorrow to fly to New York City. It's been 5 years and I'm going to meet my best friend over there, so we're so happy that this was possible to meet in New York City and have an extended weekend together. But right now I'm going to meet my cousin, one of my cousins here in Paris. We had a very short but sweet coffee catch-up at Recto Verso, a really nice cafe in the Marais, which I can highly recommend. The cappuccino with oat milk is chef's kiss. It's amazing. Really tasty. I'm always a bit picky with that because with non-dairy milk, it can also taste pretty awful, but they have amazing coffee there. And yeah, we talked for a bit and then we walked around the area a little bit. And now he went back home and me as well, as you can tell. I need to finish my luggage to pack my bags for tomorrow. I'm flying tomorrow in the morning from Charles de Gaulle and I will take the RER, the long distance train from Paris to the airport, and then I will land at around noon-ish in New York City JFK. And since I only have a carry-on and my handbag, I need to optimize the space. So I'm planning my outfits for every day and evening. And yeah, I will have to see how much I can actually bring. And then also it's gonna be pretty cold, I think, tomorrow and Friday. And then Saturday and Sunday, I think it's supposed to be a bit warmer. So let's see. I wasn't planning on bringing very warm clothes. I didn't want to bring like a lot of sweaters. And I also noticed I don't have an adapter with me here, so I might have to buy one here in the area or at the airport or when I'm in New York City. So let's see for that. I also did my nails yesterday, or I think 2 days ago. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I've been trying a new nail salon and I really like it. It's OPI, Bubble Bath and Funny Bunny. That's what the colors are called, but I really like it, and a bit shorter. I really like this length, not too long and not too short. So very classic. I always love to wear to have very natural looking nails. This morning at 5:30 and now I'm just sitting close to my gate. I got myself something to eat because I was very hungry, and I'm boarding in maybe 1 hour, so then the flight will be, I think, around 8 hours. And it was pretty easy from Charles de Gaulle, so if you're wondering, I'm at Terminal B and it was very quick, and they have like a new security line, so it's very easy to get through the security and then through the passport control as well. They just don't have that many options to eat here, so they had a pret-a-manger and then just a regular, just like shop where you can get drinks and books and so on. And yeah, I will film a little bit in the airplane and then I will talk to you when I'm in New York. At JFK Airport, it's actually pretty easy if you don't have a lot of luggage to just take the air train to Jamaica Station and then the Long Island Railroad to Central Station. I have arrived at Grand Central Station and I can't believe that I'm back in New York. It's been such a long time and I'm I'm so excited. I have so many memories here because I used to arrive here by train when I was working as an au pair, and I was here so many times with so many different people, and I'm just so grateful to be here. Now I'm walking towards 42nd Street and walking to the hotel we're staying at, and it's not too far away, it's just 15 minutes. And I'm walking to get some lunch. I wanted to try Tompkins Square Bagel, and I'm currently at Madison Square Park, walking towards Union Square, and it's so windy and cold. Have a sesame toasted bagel scooped with scallion cream cheese, tomato, cucumber, and pastrami nuts. L-A-N. Okay, the bagel is secured. I always wanted to try the Tompkins Square Bagel, especially because I saw it on TikTok a lot from Danielle. If you know her, she's the best food influencer from New York, but now she moved to Miami, I think. I know everything about her. But yeah, she has the best snacks recommendations. Okay, I need to stop walking for just 1 second because I keep bumping into people. I just wanted to say that she always has the best snack recommendations and food recommendations in New York, so I ordered the exact same bagel that she usually orders. I'm very curious to taste it, and it's huge, and it was $20, so it has to be good. I'm walking towards Tompkins Square Park, and then I'll try it and I'll let you know what I think about it. And to be completely honest with you, I only went here because I watched a video on TikTok with Joe Jonas who suggested to come here for people watching, but this park was not it. So I just went back to Midtown where the hotel is and had the rest of the bagel here. It's already pretty dark and I'm standing close to Madison Avenue, but it's about to get dark, so I wanted to show you the bagel. It looks amazing. It's just on another level. Like, this you can only get here. I've never seen any bagel shop in Europe, like in Paris, not even. In Germany, we don't even have to talk about Germany, but in Paris I would expect them to have a New York bagel shop, but they don't. I have the New York City background noises, but I will try this right now. It's way too good. I already ate the other half. I was not able to film it, but before it gets dark, as I said, I really wanted to show you this heaven on earth. Honestly, try some other bagel places. I know that there's one called Asa Bagel, Baz Bagel, Leon's Bagels. There's so many good bagel places in New York City, but this one was a must for me, so I'm so glad that I got this one, and the taste is really out of this world. The pastrami luxe. I just checked in. I already put my luggage here in this corner. And we have a very sweet little room with such a nice minimalistic interior. I love it. And there's a little window, table, TV, coffee area, and then here in the entrance is the wardrobe. And then when you move over here, you have a little bathroom, and it's so pretty. It's very dark themed. The whole hotel is like in a very dark theme. I love it. And very nice design details. And then there's also a little bathtub. Super cute. I love the design and the tiles. And yeah, this is the hotel room. I love it. It's cozy. Can't wait for my bestie to arrive. And here's the view from the window, if you can see it. So after this very long first travel day, I have a feeling I've been on the go for 48 hours, but I'm so glad that I'm checked in now, and I will jump into the shower, have a hot, long shower, and then just chill. And what I specifically love about hotels is this. I can't wait to wear this in a couple of minutes and just chill in bed and do absolutely nothing because I need some downtime. And then here, I love that they already have a steamer in the room. I definitely need that. This is most probably going to be my OOTD mirror, and this is what I wore today for traveling. Very simple. I honestly don't wear anything specific for traveling. I don't see like the sense of it, but yeah, I just wear whatever I would wear on a regular day. So today was an all black look, just suit pants, my sambas, black turtleneck from Andiata, and black oversized blazer from Le Capsule. You guys, I think that was one of the best showers ever. I feel so rejuvenated and relaxed now. It was so freezing outside. It's much colder than in Paris right now, but I know that on the weekend it's supposed to be very warm actually. I think last time I checked was like 17 degrees. So let's see, but so far at least the sun was out. It was really beautiful, like blue skies, a lot of sunshine, but it was just very cold. Luckily I had my gloves with me, and yeah, the shower was very needed also because I have a little cold. Like I don't have coughing or anything, but I have like body aches, so I've been taking ibuprofen, and now just chilling on the bed is the best feeling ever. And I can feel the jet lag kicking in. I think you can tell that I'm pretty tired, like my eyes keep like closing, but I think the energy will go back up as soon as Bestie is going to be here. I cannot wait, really. I'm even nervous to see her. We are in contact every single day, and I think, yeah, that may sound crazy to some people, or maybe not crazy, but we have long distance friendship since graduating, and basically she lives in London, I live now in Paris, before that in Munich, so we're always too far away to see each other regularly, so we're just in contact every single day, and I'm super grateful for it. It's just like I know exactly what she's doing. It's as if we would be living in the same city, but we're actually not. And now the last time I saw her was on my birthday, which was in June, and I cannot believe that the time has gone by so fast. So yeah, she's arriving in I think 15 minutes, and I'm so I don't even have words for this, but I'm so happy, extremely grateful to have her in my life, and extremely grateful also that we have this trip, this reunion trip in New York City. Isn't that just the best place to have a weekend with your best friend? Okay, so I just quickly changed because she's gonna arrive in just a second. I think the last slide. I'm asleep. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ich bin so... I can't make it through. Every night is the same, I keep running. Oh mein Gott, ich bin da Sonne stehen draußen. Ich bin einfach nur stehen gelassen. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and for the rest of the night we just ordered in and caught up on everything, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for upcoming New York City vlogs. I call this girl dinner.